Definitely got some onlookers. The water's coming up. The water's rising quick. You see all the leaves and shit. It's flooded Main Street. Totally flooded Main Street. ShopRite's fucked. Coming up from this way. Got a few onlookers. It's not even over. It's only about 10 o'clock. It's probably going to end around... It's not raining that hard now. It should pick up soon. But, this isn't even it. We still got about 5 more hours. You can see it's already coming up over that cement over there. Straight for the windows on the other side. That's it. That's it. Ain't nothing. Nothing nobody can do. It's hitting. Cans are floating. Shit floating down the river. Get in there, buddy. Going outside. Walking down the block. Flooded everywhere. Flooded everywhere. Come on. Come on. Flooded everywhere. Look, come on. I'm gonna actually take a walk into that soon. We're gonna see how deep it really is. It's crazy.